Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. And this video you will learn how to use present continuous tense in daily life routine. So let's start. Hina and Adila are walking along Club Road in Peshawar. They are walking to the bus stop. Now Hina is at work. She is busy. She is asking a question. She has to dial a number. Hina is going to the telephone company on University Street. She is a telephone operator. The telephone company is big and modern and it is always very busy. Adila is going to the university school. She is a student. She is studying computer programming and she is learning a computer language. Ahmed is at school. He is a student. He is studying math. Hina is at work. She is a cashier. Question with what and present continuous tense. What's he doing? He is reading the newspaper. What are they doing? They are running on the road. What is he doing? He is cleaning the kitchen. What's she doing? She is dialing a number. What are Hina and Salma doing? They are washing the dog. What's Fahim and Rashida doing? They are eating the meal. What's Ahmed doing? He is washing the dog. What's Salma doing? She is studying math. What's Salma and Ahmed doing? They are swimming in the pool. What's Hina doing? She is cleaning the living room. What are Ahmed and Ali doing? They are painting the wall. The use of has to. So let's learn. Has to का मतलब है कि हमने जो काम करना है उसके लिए हम has to इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Hina has to answer a question. Hina ने एक सवाल का आंसर देना है. Ahmed has to fix the car. Hina has to study. Ahmed has to paint the wall. Ali has to clean the kitchen. I have to wash the dog. I have to study. We have to paint the wall. ये बात याद रखिए कि आई वी यू दे और प्लूरल के साथ हैव टू इस्तेमाल होगा. जैसे कि आई हैव टू, यू हैव टू, वी हैव टू. अली एंड अहमद हैव टू. ही शी इट और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हैज़ टू इस्तेमाल होगा. जैसा कि शी हैज़ टू, अली हैज़ टू, child has to. If you learn this video then please practice it, and if you like my video then please share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.